As we head into the new year, will you be pledging to get healthier? Lifestyle and fitness expert Jamie Hess is here to help us be better and start the year in a positive fashion. Hi, Jamie.
Hi, I'm Jamie Hess of NYC Fit Fam, here with some tips to help you stay on track for the new year. First up, healthy eating. I love these Purdue Simply Smart Organics. Purdue, of course, is a trusted family brand, been around for almost 100 years, and now they're going to make eating organic easier than ever with this line. It's offering all sorts of better for you attributes, and it's great, accessible, and on the shelves at your local retailer. Check out Purdue.com to find a store near you and also for some great recipe tips. Next up, let's talk productivity. So as it turns out, print and visuals still reign supreme when it comes to memory retention and productivity. So the Paper and Packaging How Life Unfolds campaign has brought us some simple tips to enhance our productivity using paper. Things like writing down your to-do list and organizing your filing system before tax season hits us. All sorts of different ways you can use paper to enhance your life. Head on over to howlifeunfolds.com/productivity. And while we're talking about efficiency and time management, let's talk about the kitchen. I'm a busy working mom. I know how hard it is to find quick and healthy recipes. Try fitting that into one product. Well, I have Nourish Bowls by Man's Fresh Vegetables. These are great. They're packed with nutrient-dense superfoods that can please your whole family. And they actually have a new breakfast bowl line that's completely delicious. You crack in fresh eggs, pop it in the microwave for 4 minutes, and you've got yourself a great breakfast scramble. Head on over to veggiesmadeeasy.com for more information.
Thanks so much, Jamie.